Welcome to this tutorial on creating a PDF document gallery in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this lesson, you will learn how to add PDFs to your website quickly and effectively. We will guide you through each step so that you can follow along from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. When the page loads, take a moment to look at the very top right corner of the screen. There you will see an option that allows you to log in. By clicking on this login option, you will be prompted to enter your credentials or choose an authentication method to access your account. Once you have reached the login page, you will notice the option to continue with your Google account. Selecting this option streamlines the login process as it utilizes your existing Google credentials. After clicking on the Continue with Google button, simply choose the account you wish to use. This method not only saves time but also ensures that you are securely accessing your WordPress dashboard with minimal fuss. With the login process complete, you will now be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, locate the Quick Links section, which is easily identifiable on the interface. In the Quick Links area, look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This action will take you to the site editor where you can begin customizing your pages and adding new content blocks to your website. In the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you will find a plus icon that represents the option to add new content blocks. Click on the plus icon to reveal the block selection menu. This is where you can choose from various types of content blocks to insert into your page. In this instance, you will be working with a group block. After clicking the plus icon, a search function appears. Use this feature by typing the word group. This will filter the available blocks to display the group block among other similar options. Once you have typed in group, you will see the group block appear in your search results. Simply click on the group block option to select it. This will add an empty group container to your site, which will serve as the holder for your file blocks. Now that you have added the group block, the next step involves adding a file block within this group. The file block is specifically designed to handle document files such as PDF documents, making it ideal for creating a PDF gallery. Click on the option to add a new block within the group, then locate and select the file block. This prepares the block to accept a PDF file, either from your computer or from the existing media library. With the file block in place, you are ready to add your PDF document. Upload the PDF file from your computer or find it in your WordPress media library if you have uploaded it before. Once the file is successfully uploaded, proceed to select the PDF file by clicking on it. To add more than one PDF file, simply click on the select option again and repeat the upload or selection process. This hands-on approach allows you to build a comprehensive PDF document gallery for your website quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you have now created a dynamic PDF document gallery in WordPress. This process not only enhances the functionality of your website, but also offers your visitors an accessible way to view and download PDF documents directly from your site. Enjoy your newly created PDF gallery, and remember that with practice you can continue to refine and improve your website's presentation.